In this video, let's talk about how to use the Cash App Savings 4.5% APY. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now the 4.5% annual percent yield is basically on a savings balance. In order to unlock this feature or unlock this rate, you need to have a personal account of Cash App, a linked Cash App card, and at least $300 in qualifying direct deposits. Without having this $300 direct deposit, the drop will instantly drop to 1.5%. So make sure you meet these criteria first of all. And before you are able to get this feature, make sure you update the app of Cash App to the latest version. You just need to head over to the banking and money tab within your Cash App application. And you need to look for the option which says savings. Within the savings option, you can set up specific goals or general savings and enable the direct deposit. As I said, you need to set up at least $300 in qualifying direct deposits in order to unlock the 4.5% APY. So as soon as you follow this process and as soon as you set your goals and set up your direct deposits, you will be able to get the 4.5% annual percentage yield. So make sure you keep these tips in mind. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.